Differential amplifier using BJT in differential mode. Be constructing a differential amplifier in differential mode using BJT. The following are the components required for design. Differential amplifier is a device that is used to amplify the difference in voltage of the two input signals. Two separate transistors Q1 and Q2 are employed so as to apply separate inputs at the base of both the transistors. Common emitter resistor RE, common positive supply VCC and common negative supply VEE is shared by both the transistors. In the differential mode, the two input signals are different from each other. The difference between the two input voltages are amplified, but any voltage common to the two inputs is suppressed. This is a circuit diagram of the differential amplifier in differential mode. So here we can see two separate voltages are applied to both the base of the transistors. So we will be measuring the input voltage V1 and V2 separately and find out what the output voltage is. So the output voltage should be difference between the two input voltages. This is the simulation of the differential amplifier operating in differential mode. This is the differential mode circuit of a differential amplifier using BJT. Here the input to the two transistors are given through separate voltages V1 and V2, and the output voltage will be the difference between the two input voltages. This is one of the input voltages V1 and this is the other input voltage V2. This is the output voltage. Now this will be the difference between the two input voltages.